In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an interactive star rating component in Figma. We'll start by creating the stars themselves. Click on the shape tool and choose the star. Drag a star onto your canvas, then in the right sidebar, set its width and height to 100 by 100 so every copy will be perfectly consistent. Now copy and paste that star until you have 5 in total, laid out roughly in a row. Select all 5 stars, go to the right side of the interface, open the position controls, click the 3 dots to reveal more options, and choose Distribute Horizontal Spacing. This cleans up the spacing so the row looks even. With all 5 stars still selected, right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. This wraps the stars in a frame with flexible spacing you can tweak at any time. On the frame, click the alignment icon in the middle so the content is centered both vertically and horizontally. Now in the right sidebar, click the plus sign and then click Variant. Set the number of variants to 6. This gives you 1 base state and 5 rating states. Let's style the rating states. Go to the second variant and change the first star's fill color to yellow, leaving the rest neutral. In the third variant, make 2 stars yellow. In the fourth variant, make 3 stars yellow. In the fifth variant, make 4 stars yellow. And in the sixth variant, make all 5 stars yellow. Adjust the distance between stars using the auto layout spacing control until it feels right for your design. Keeping the base variant with all neutral stars makes it clear what the unselected state looks like. Now it's time to wire up the interaction. Click Prototype in the right-hand corner to switch modes. Click the first star in the base variant and drag a connection to the second variant. In the animation options, choose Smart Animate so the color changes flow smoothly. Next, click the second star and connect it to the third variant. Click the third star and connect it to the fourth variant. Click the fourth star and connect it to the fifth variant. Finally, click the fifth star and connect it to the sixth variant. This creates a simple, progressive tap-to-rate experience. Create a frame on your canvas, go to the Assets panel, open Local Assets, and drag your new star rating component into the frame. Click Preview to test the interaction, and click on each star to see the rating animate from one state to the next. That's it. Clean, reusable, and ready for your design system.